Hey guys, this is Patrick Powers. This video is for Mdf2. This is week 3, and I'm going to go over the project that we completed. So we learned how to use the camera function as well as the video functionality of the phone, being able to store pictures, not only pictures but edited pictures, and then also store the videos that we're capturing, and then being able to view the photo album. So here is the application when it first loads. It has the camera option, the video option, and then a photo albums option. Simply clicking on the photo album will actually go to the photo album, which you can scroll through. And then the other options we have are the camera. So it goes to the camera, take a picture. Picture is captured. Hopefully we were able to see all this of the beautiful Bud Light can use. It gives you, I actually did not scale, but it does scale. Click save. Give it a second and it'll come up picture saved. It actually goes back to the camera, but then you can just click cancel and it goes back to the home screen. And to show that it did save, go there. And there is the one picture. Now, the object was to have both pictures save. I can do that. The issue I was facing was within the code. If you're looking at my screen now, let's see, let me find it real quick. It was within the camera.m right here. On save, when you actually click on save, what I was having was my picture 1 was the original picture. I actually have this commented out right now. Picture 2 is the other picture. And what happens is it actually freezes up on me. So it will actually save, and I can go ahead and uncomment this out. And I'll go ahead and start running it again, and I'll take another picture. But it does actually save both, but then it freezes up the camera, so I then can't leave that view. So here we are again. There. Let's go ahead and take a picture again. The Bud Light can. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and resize it, make it really nice and big. Use. Pops it into the other screen. I'm going to go ahead and save it. It will tell me that both saved, but I can't cancel back out of this. And you can see the screen. That's what runs. Now, if I actually go into the photo albums, I now have the 2 new cans of the Bud Light that I took a picture of. So they do save, but it freezes up the application. To go into the other parts of the application is basically the video section. The video section was pretty basic. You basically are just taking a video and then being able to save that video. So again, video, we are seeing the video. Let's create a video. 1, 2 seconds, done. Use it. Go ahead, save that. And it saved my video. Go into the photo album because it saved it into the photo album. There I have that video, which I can then play. 1, 2. So that worked too. So what went well in general was learning the overall code. I think using it a couple different times, I was able to. I had been using storyboards, but for this assignment I was using the XIB files again, passing the information from the view controller, and let's see, on the, let me go back. So here we go. In terms of selecting the picture and actually going, so here is where I actually, when I go to the movie view, which I've created an instance of that up here, and then I actually pass it to the video path 2, which is actually it's a variable within the movie 2 right here. It sets that, and that's how I'm passing this information from one view to the other, and then having the modal view controllers change out. This is for the camera. It's all sitting within the image picker controller. I just have basically the UI image for the image, and then the NSURL for the video. I then have an instance of the camera view controller created, an instance of the movie controller created, so that once you actually choose the button appropriately, it'll go to the right view controller. Here's the on-click for the camera action. Here's the on-click for the video option, creating the delegates for that. Here's the on-click for the album, so you can view the album. I then again have the camera view controller, and also, which there you can see the XIB file. Let's see, right there. And then also the movie one, which just has the save and cancel. And when clicking on cancel, it does go back to the camera. It doesn't actually go back to the main view, so that you can take another picture. So that's really it. What could be better? Obviously, I have a couple instances, and it wasn't just the one that I showed, but where it actually freezes up completely. So, making it so that the overall app does not freeze up, and then just make it a little bit prettier, I guess. But in general, it was good to be able to start just seeing more and more additional functionality that we're able to utilize within the camera and the video playback or video capture feature. So, enjoyed it, and on to week 4.